What is happening, tech fans, and welcome back to Microsoft Sphere. The pace of innovation never slows down, and if you blink, you might just miss the next big thing. Today, we're diving headfirst into a whirlwind of updates that are shaping the future of how we work, connect, and create. Get ready for some unmissable news that you need to know right now. First up, a critical fix is rolling out for a pesky bug that's been causing headaches for Windows users. We've got the details on what went wrong and how it's being put right. Then, we're jumping into the collaboration space, where Microsoft Teams has just unleashed a massive wave of new features, promising to transform your daily workflow. But that's not all. The AI revolution is heating up as Microsoft makes a bold move to develop its own cutting-edge AI models, aiming to challenge the giants in the field. And finally, we're looking at the bigger picture, dissecting what's driving Microsoft's stock performance and what it means for investors in this dynamic market. It's a packed show, so buckle up, stay informed, and hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join the conversation in the comments below. Windows users, rejoice. A persistent bug causing certificate enrollment errors is finally being squashed. This issue, which began with the July 2025 preview and subsequent Windows 11.24H2 updates, led to alarming but ultimately harmless error messages in Event Viewer, specifically flagging issues with the Microsoft Pluton cryptographic provider not loading. Microsoft had initially advised users to simply ignore these events, assuring them there was no impact on active Windows components or processes. The company explained that the errors stemmed from a feature still under development and not yet fully integrated into the operating system. This situation, while unnerving for users who encountered the error messages upon restarting their devices, was clarified as a non-issue by Microsoft's support channels. The resolution is now actively rolling out, with a fix automatically included in the KB506408.1 update released on August 29, 2025. Microsoft anticipates the complete rollout across all commercial and consumer devices will take approximately 4 weeks. Following this deployment, all future security and non-security updates will incorporate this fix by default, ensuring a stable certificate enrollment process moving forward. This incident follows a pattern of Microsoft addressing and resolving similar spurious error notifications that have surfaced in recent months, including issues with Windows firewall configuration errors, invalid failure errors in the Windows recovery environment, and incorrect BitLocker drive encryption errors on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. These resolutions underscore Microsoft's commitment to maintaining system stability and user confidence by proactively identifying and rectifying even minor anomalies that could cause user concern. This fix is a significant relief for many users who were bothered by the persistent, albeit benign, error messages. But hold on, because the updates don't stop there. Get ready for a massive overhaul of a platform many of you use every single day. Microsoft Teams is getting a major upgrade with 26 new features, but the market reaction was muted. This significant expansion of features aims to enhance the collaboration experience for users, administrators, and meeting attendees alike. Among the notable additions is an expanded emoji response capability, allowing for more nuanced and expressive communication. For IT administrators, the ability to add custom dictionaries to Copilot is a game changer, enabling more tailored and accurate AI assistance. Meeting participants will also benefit from new options to improve their virtual presence and engagement. The update also introduces enhanced search functionalities, including contextual search and the ability to perform searches using SQL-style commands, making it easier to find information within the platform. New keyboard shortcuts and a feature to view saved messages streamline workflows, while the option to display messages with attachments is being highlighted as a particularly useful addition for many users. Beyond Teams, the report touches upon upcoming age verification checks on Xbox, a move that has drawn mixed reactions. While some users find it unnecessary, particularly those with long-standing accounts, others express concerns about data privacy and potential misuse. This development in the UK could impact Microsoft's gaming division, though its scope is currently limited, Meanwhile, analysts maintain a strong positive outlook on Microsoft stock, MSFT, with a consensus strong buy rating. Despite a recent fractional slip in share price, the stock has seen substantial gains over the past year, and analysts project further upside potential. This dual focus on product innovation and investor sentiment highlights Microsoft's multifaceted approach to growth and market presence. The broad appeal of these teams' enhancements suggests a significant boost in user engagement and productivity. Now, let's pivot from collaboration tools to the very foundation of modern technology: artificial intelligence. Microsoft is stepping up its AI game by developing its own models to rival OpenAI. In a significant strategic move, Microsoft is shifting its reliance on third-party AI models by investing heavily in its own in-house AI development. The company has launched MAI Voice One, a speech generation model capable of producing a minute of audio in under a second using a single GPU, showcasing remarkable efficiency. This technology is already powering features like Copilot Daily and Podcast, which deliver AI-generated news recaps and personalized podcast-style content, mirroring capabilities seen in platforms like Google's Notebook LM. Complementing this is MAI One Preview, a foundation model currently available for public testing in controlled environments like LM Arena, where users can compare its performance against other leading models. Microsoft plans to roll out MAI One Preview for specific text-based use cases within its Copilot chatbot to gather early user feedback. This development comes amidst a complex relationship with OpenAI, a key partner in which Microsoft has invested over $13 billion and provides crucial cloud infrastructure. While this partnership has propelled Microsoft to the forefront of AI, OpenAI's growing influence and its own consumer and business offerings, including ChatGPT, are creating a competitive dynamic. Reports suggest increasing tension between the two companies, particularly as OpenAI considers converting its status to a for-profit public benefit corporation, a move that requires Microsoft's approval as a major investor. A contentious clause in their agreement, which could terminate their contract upon OpenAI achieving AGI, is reportedly being renegotiated by Microsoft to ensure continued access to OpenAI's advanced models. By developing its own AI models, Microsoft appears to be hedging its bets and diversifying its AI capabilities, aiming to reduce dependency on external partners and solidify its position in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. It's worth noting that Ziff Davis, Microsoft Sphere's parent company, has also filed a lawsuit against OpenAI alleging copyright infringement in AI training and operation, adding another layer to the intricate relationship. This strategic pivot towards in-house AI development signals Microsoft's ambition to lead the AI revolution on its own terms. From groundbreaking AI advancements to the pulse of the market, we're now going to look at what's driving investor confidence and the future of Microsoft's stock. Microsoft's stock is showing strong upward momentum, fueled by key growth areas like Azure and AI. Microsoft, NASDAQ, MSFT is currently trading above the $500 mark, with analysts and investors eyeing significant future gains. This optimism is largely attributed to the company's robust performance in critical sectors, including its cloud computing division, Azure, which has demonstrated an impressive 39% growth rate. The seamless integration of artificial intelligence across its product suite is another major catalyst, enhancing user experience and driving adoption. Furthermore, Microsoft's substantial $69 billion investment in the gaming sector is poised to yield considerable returns, positioning the company for explosive growth despite intense market competition. These factors have led to a strong positive sentiment among financial analysts, who collectively rate MSFT stock as a strong buy, with a significant number of buy ratings and very few holds. Over the past year, Microsoft's share price has surged by over 22%, and the current average price target suggests an additional 22.82% upside potential. While the Motley Fool's Stock Advisor service did not include Microsoft in its top 10 recommended stocks at the time of this report, It highlighted that their recommendations have historically outperformed the market significantly, citing examples like Netflix and Nvidia. This analysis underscores the broader bullish outlook for Microsoft, driven by its strategic investments in cloud, AI, and gaming, which are expected to fuel continued expansion and market leadership. Investors are keenly watching how these strategic initiatives translate into long-term value, especially as the company navigates a competitive technological landscape. The strong analyst consensus and growth in key sectors paint a very positive picture for Microsoft investors. And that wraps up our deep dive into today's top stories. But before you go, let's quickly recap the headlines that mattered most. We covered Microsoft fixing those certificate errors, a massive 26 new features hitting Microsoft Teams, Microsoft developing its own AI models with MAI, and a look at the booming Microsoft stock. Don't miss out on any of the action. Hit that like button, subscribe to Microsoft Sphere for all your tech updates, ring the notification bell so you never miss a video, drop a comment below to join the conversation, and follow us on all our social channels to stay connected. We'll see you in the next one.